Good evening. Good evening. My name is Cameron White, and I am a graduating senior at Tallwood High School. It is my pleasure to stand here and discuss life-changing experiences I've had through VCIC programs, such as the Harold M. Marsh Senior Connections Institute and Diversity Dialogue Day. When I first received my invitation to Connections, I expected a leadership retreat similar to the ones I've attended for my own school system. When I stepped off the bus in those beautiful hills last summer, greeted with the smiles and helping hands of the Connections staff, I knew I was in for a week that would blow away my expectations. One of the most moving moments from Connections was an activity we did called the Racial Advantage Line. This activity forced us to move based on our privilege or lack thereof based on our race. I was surprised to see the wide gap that resulted from the activities. Through Connections, I realized that the only way to end prejudice and discrimination is to talk about it. We realized that it is a conditioned behavior, not based on fact. Connections opened up my eyes and reminded me that just because society says that someone is different than I am, does not change the fact that we are all human. I am now applying what I've learned through my work on the VPCPS Discipline Task Force in order to lower discrimination against students of color in the area of discipline in the city. The Diversity Dialogue Day earlier this week focused on the idea that we are all more than a stereotype. My favorite activity was when we were given a scenario where someone experienced discrimination based on a stereotype, and we as a group had to decide what could be done before, during, and after the situation to change the future outcome. I learned that as members of society fighting against stereotyping, it is important to stand up for those that are being stereotyped rather than stand by and assume that someone else will address the situation. Well, I learned that I had the power to put a halt to stereotyping and prejudice. It is crucial that we continue to support VCIC and the programs we put on such as Connection Institute and the Diversity Dialogue Day. There are too many people that have closed their eyes to issues of prejudice and discrimination, yet every day there is something happening in the news that involves these things. The best way to combat the issue at hand and put an end to it is to educate students in order to empower them to make change. VCIC's programs have inspired me to make a difference in the community, and many of the lifelong friends I have made through VCIC's programs share the same sentiment. Other students should have the life-changing opportunity to feel the same way I did when I stepped off that bus and have their eyes open and mind blown. VCIC's programs are empowering, encouraging, and essential. I am honored to have the opportunity to be part of the change they are creating. Thank you.